Imagine earning a steady stream of income while simply sharing your passion for cryptocurrencies. This isn't a distant fantasy, but a tangible reality through the leveraging of affiliate programs. Today, we delve into this untapped crypto earning avenue and unravel the opportunities it presents. Affiliate programs allow individuals to promote products or services, earning a commission for every sale made through their unique referral link. In the world of cryptocurrency, these programs are burgeoning, offering potential revenues that could rival more traditional investments. The key lies in choosing the right program, understanding its structure, and aligning it with your audience's interests. In the crypto realm, affiliate opportunities abound. From cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets to blockchain platforms and educational courses, the variety is immense. Each offers distinct advantages and commission plans. As an affiliate, you should aim to promote services you believe in, ensuring authenticity in your endorsements. Authenticity fosters trust, increasing your chances of success. To begin, research the affiliate programs of reputable crypto platforms. Look at commission rates, payment structures, and any promotional materials available to affiliates. Some programs pay per click, while others offer a percentage of trading fees. Analyzing these models can reveal the best fit for your goals and audience. However, success in affiliate marketing requires more than just choosing the right program. It demands an understanding of digital marketing strategies, such as SEO and engaging content creation. Create compelling stories around the crypto products you're passionate about. Your audience should see the value these services bring to their lives, incentivizing them to click through and explore further. Isn't it fascinating how the cryptocurrency domain offers such vast potential beyond traditional investments? By mastering affiliate programs, you can transform your enthusiasm into a lucrative venture. As you navigate this path, let the synergy between your passion and strategic marketing guide your journey. Who knows, you might just uncover a goldmine amid the digital rush. If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalexnow.com.